Welcome to Venice, the floating city of dreams. Today, we begin a journey through its winding canals and historic squares. Our tour starts at the heart of it all, Piazza San Marco. Napoleon famously called it the world's most beautiful drawing room. Behold the Basilica di San Marco, the Church of Gold, adorned with mosaics of a maritime superpower from centuries past. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Next door stands the Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of architecture and the former seat of power, where history was written in marble. Towering over the square is the Campanile, the city's tallest landmark. Rebuilt after its collapse in 1902, the Renaissance clock tower, where the bronze Moors have struck the hour for over 500 years, a testament to engineering. Leaving the Grand Square, we head toward the commercial heart of the city, the Rialto, where the city's pulse beats with energy. Welcome to part 2. We're traveling up the Grand Canal toward the bustling and historic Rialto district. The Rialto Bridge is a 16th century engineering marvel. Built on 12,000 wooden piles, it has stood firm for centuries. Just steps away, the Rialto market has served as the city's pantry for nearly 1,000 years, bringing fresh lagoon produce to the tables. Every corner of Venice tells a story of elegance and resilience, creating a unique atmosphere found nowhere else on Earth. Along the banks, palaces like the Ca' d'Oro show the pinnacle of Gothic elegance and the wealth of ancient merchant families. From above, you can see the Grand Canal's famous S-curve winding through the city's heart like a ribbon of storied water. Now, we move beyond the landmarks to explore the hidden gems and quiet corners that most visitors never see. Part 3 brings us to Cannaregio and the historic Jewish ghetto, the first of its kind in the world, with its unique skyscrapers. Don't miss the Santa Maria dei Miracoli, a Renaissance masterpiece completely clad in polychrome marble, the city's jewel box. In these quiet districts, the sounds of modern life blend with the echoes of the past, creating an authentic experience. In Dorsoduro, the wooden Accademia Bridge offers iconic views looking toward the majestic Santa Maria della Salute. At the Square di San Trovaso, artisans still maintain the city's gondolas using techniques passed down through generations. We end our journey along the Zatere, a favorite walk for locals overlooking the lagoon, where the sun turns the water to gold. Thank you for joining our tour of Venice. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.